Hi guys! For this vlog, samahan niyo akong lumakad or mag-tour dito sa Royal Garden at nang madalaw natin ang ating mga grafted bougainvillea. Ngayon lang tayo makakadalaw dahil humaba yung kanilang mga damo. Hinayaan ko po munang humaba yung mga damo sa kanilang pwesto para maging malamig ang dating sa kanila at nang sila ay lumago ng mas maganda. Ngayon po, kanina, nag-start na po ako magpalinis. Pinuputol na po yung mga damo at sa ngayon hindi pa masyadong yari pero medyo maluwang na yung naputulan. So, doon po tayo iikot ngayon. And for the people from India, thank you so much guys for watching my channel. And thank you so much Mini Greenland for telling your friends about my channel, Royal Garden of Bougainvillea. I will answer all your questions little by little. So, stay there, sit back, relax, and we're going to have an online tour and I will show you guys what I have in Royal Garden, in my garden. I will show you my grafted bougainvillea and you are going to see how they look. Really, it's so nice and amazing. I want you to see guys my grafted giant bougainvillea. Parade of grafted giant bougainvillea. Yeah, there you go. They already have buds and begin to have flowers. Okay. Look at their flowers. And aside from the color of their bracts, the variegation of their leaves, and having a big trunk, yes, they are amazing. And here is another one. The pink patch. It's going to have an albino leaves. And there you go, my splash mother plant, full of flowers. Ayan, ang ganda po ng ating splash. Kumusta po ang mga splash nyo? Namumulaklak na rin po ba? Ayan, splash. Ang dami po nilang bulaklak. Hindi pa sila na-apply ng fertilizer. Pero ang daming bulaklak talaga. Ang dami. Ang dami pang buds. And here is another giant bougainvillea. Na meron siyang dragon flame. Ayan, dragon flame. Kita ba? Dragon flame po yung nakagraph sa kanya. So magkakaroon na tayo ngayon ng kuhanan ng sanga ng dragon flame. So here are some of our grafted bougainvillea. The big pot, big trunk, and yes, Milo batik, full Milo batik, grafted with full Milo batik. So nice. And this one is grafted with pink patch. Look at the flowers of pink patch. Wow, they are so nice. Look at the color and the variegation of the leaves, the combination of the color of the bracts and the variegation of the leaves. Amazing and wonderful. And another one, giant bougainvillea. There you go. Sobrang gaganda, sobrang amazing. And look at one of my grafted bougainvillea. I go sakura. Hindi. Frozen sakura. Okay, frozen sakura. Full of frozen sakura. Ang ganda, diba? Grabe. Ayan. Dito muna tayo sa side na to, then babalikan natin yung kabilang side. And then, yeah. Ayan, magmula sa paso, sa ugat, sa puno, and then yung mga nakagrap sa kanya, Sakura Belacan, parang adelawe, sa isang puno, di ba ang ganda-ganda? So nice. And dito, punta tayo dito. Dito ang dami niyang flower, Ayan, hindi pa nga kami nakakapag-paint ng pots. Ang daming bulaklak, grabe. Inaro and double tiger salmon. Diba? And golden summer purple in one pot. Ayan, wala ka nang sasabihin pa kundi ang ganda-ganda. And this one is mini formosa. Mini formosa. Sobrang sipag ni mini formosa, Simula pa lang siya magbulaklak pero all nodes pa. All nodes na may bulaklak. Simula pa lang. First bloom pa lang niya, all nodes na. And then dito pa. And then doon pa sa gawidon. Ayan. And then ito pang isang malaki na to na full of flowers na rin po yung itaas. And then my mother plant of Chinese lantern. Yan. Chinese lantern. Kumusta po yung ganito yung variety? Chinese lantern. May bulaklak na rin po ba? Ito po lahat ng sanga. Full of flowers. Chinese lantern. Chinese lantern. Full of flowers. All of the stem. Ay, hanggang doon Hanggang doon. Ang lawak. Ang dami. Ang daming flowers. Diyos ko, nakakaloka. Nakakaloka, nakakatuwa sila. And then ito pa. Golden summer white. Ayan, may flower na siya. May bracts na. Lumitaw na yung white niya. Golden summer white. Yan, solo. Golden summer white. And over here is Milo Batik. Sobrang nice. It's so nice. Milo Batik, so nice. Yes. So many flowers of Milo Batik. First bloom of Milo Batik. Full of flowers. The one with yellow leaf is golden picture. Yes. Pure golden picture. Pure golden picture. And golden angus pala. Golden Picture and Golden Angus. And ito bago pa lang po. Bago pa lang siya, kaka-trim pa lang. And this one is Miss Eve and Red September. And this one, full of flowers. Golden Summer White. Golden Summer White and Milo Batik. Super. And this one, look at that. Pink Panther Taiwan. Pink Panther Taiwan. Full of flowers. Our Pink Panther Taiwan. Hindi nakakasawang tingnan. The combination of yellow leaf and the color of its bracts. So nice. Pink patch again. Pink patch again. I always use pink patch as my scion because that variety is always full of flowers. Everybody love pink patch. And yes, Brisa Red. Brisa Red. Brisa Red. Wow. Red na red. Dark red. And tricolor variegated. Tricolor variegated. They are on grafted bougainvillea on big tree. If you want to have this variety, you will have to buy this whole pot to have this variety. You will going to buy the whole pot to have this bougainvillea tree that is full of beautiful colors. Look at that. Wow. And how about this pot? This pot of grafted bougainvillea. Aside from having a mini formosa, it is also have watermelon kiss. Also nice in flowering. And a variegated tricolor. And glossy brisa. All varieties are good when it comes to flowering. And on this lane, wow, the magic magic love. And the Suverna. Yan. Suverna. Those variety are varieties that is always have flower. They are always have flowers. Masipag silang mamulaklak na kahit hindi season, Bella, ay namumulaklak sila. Katulad ngayon, hindi pa season pero ang dami na nilang bulaklak. Diba? Lalo to mini formosa, oh. Sir Mario, ito yung ino-order mo, mini formosa. Ang ganda-ganda. And this one is blueberry ice. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kasi pag mamulaklak ang blueberry ice na to. in one pot. Lahat tong blueberry ice nito ay makukuha mo kapag binili mo itong isang buo na to. Yan. Yung iba, hindi pa natin napapaganda, hindi natin naaalagaan sa trim. Siguro sa second bloom nila, ititrim na natin. After ng first bloom, ititrim natin para second bloom nila ay mapuno na sila ng flower. Yan, Bella. Ang dami ko nung natrim na Bella. Ang dami ko nung napatanim na Bella. Bakit hindi lumalabas? Ibig sabihin, mahirap buhayin si Bella. Ayan. Hawaii White and Miss Eve combination. And another variety which is Inaro. And look at this one, oh. Look at this one. It is a combination of violet and white in one single trunk. Combination of violet and white and two-tone pink and white, which is magic ice cream, and Tima. Ayan, okay, Tima. Ay, where is Tima? Here is Tima. Okay, Tima. Okay, konting konting panahon pa, konting summer pa ang ibigay sa atin na panahon at mas gaganda po itong mga grafted natin at mag-e-enjoy po kayo na mag-visit dito sa aming garden. Yan. Okay, ang lagu-lago na ng pink patch ni ma'am. Nabili na po yan, hindi pa lang kinukuha dito, ang lagu-lago na. Pag kinuha mo to ma'am, ay tatanggalan natin ang ibang sanga kasi hindi pwede ganito kalago. And this one is so cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, in one pot, combination of foxtail red and moonlight jewel. And another variegated and another white, Echo 21 jewels white. Wow. 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 Look at that. If you were interested dito sa aming mga grafted bougainvillea, kailangan ikaw ang unang bumili, kailangan ikaw unang mamili para mapili mo yung mga the best. Yung unang mamimili, yung unang bibili, mapipili niya yung the best na grafted kapag nauna kang mamili. Super. Yan, kapag nahuli ka, mga pinagpilian na lang sa'yo. Mula po nung mga graft to, ay hindi pa po ako nagbebenta. Hindi pa po ako nagbebenta, hindi po ako kasi nagbebenta ng bagong graft. Hinihintay ko po munang gumanda. Yan, etong ganda na to, yung lalo na yung mga bulaklak na yan, pwede na po tayo mag-start magbenta. Kapag nauna ka pong bumili, mapipili mo po yung magaganda sa kanila. Yan, dapat lang ang dala mo ay isang malaking truck. Isang malaking truck. Dito po sa part na to, hindi pa nakakapaglinis. Nakita nyo naman, madamo pa. Hindi pa nakakapaglinis dito. Yan, madamo pa. Grabe pa ang damo. And then, ito pa yung iba natin mga nakagraph. Ayan. Hindi pa sila nabubuksan. Okay. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, Orange September. Orange September, oh. So nice. And I think it's Ada's Joy. In one pot. Yan. Hindi pa tayo nakakapaglinis dito. madamo pa bukas. Malamang bukas mayayari na nila to. Ang ganda oh. And then ayan pa. Meron tayong dragon flame dito na may kasamang pink, foxtail pink. Yan, di pa natin napapaganda to eh. Kailangan pa nating alagaan sa trim. Yung itsura na to, hindi pa napapaganda. Yung itsura na yan. Maganda na. Pero, mukhang hindi pa napapaganda. Pero maganda na siya. Ibig sabihin, may igaganda pa. Yan. And then, ayan po yung ating mga opal. King opal. And, ayan pa. May makulay pa at magandang flower dito na Magic Love and Golden Summer Purple. Magic Love and Golden Summer Purple. Okay, what can you say about my garden? What can you say about Royal Garden, guys? Give your comment at the comment box of this video. What can you say about Royal Garden? Please give your comment at the comment box of this video. Okay, bye! Thanks for watching.